Right, so another video on my newly acquired mini lathe. I've got the motor set up now, and I've mounted that on a pivot, so I can use this bolt here to move the motor up and down to tension the pulley. I bought this piece of watchmaker's pulley off the internet. You get it in a 1 metre length. You can get longer if you need it, but that's all I needed. And all you do is just mount the ends and push them together, and that connects both bits together. Yep. The only trouble I've found so far is if you aisle the chuck up, the aisle from the chuck flies across onto the pulley. So yeah, wipe the chuck down before using it. I've got the switch set up here at the moment. It's just sitting here at the moment, but I will probably put this into a small box to make it a bit safer anyway. Also, I received my new dead centre, and like I said last time, I thought that the ones that come with a truncated Morse taper, so they're a lot shorter. And the problem with that is it reduces the between centre distance, because they're a lot longer. I mean, it's sticking probably about another 2 centimetres out in comparison. Yeah, there's probably about 2 centimetres sticking out further. But there's a way around that. What I could do is put this in the headstock spindle and then fix a small headstock grinder to the tool post possibly, and then re-grind it further down. Could possibly do that. At the moment, at least I know they definitely fit. That's the main thing, so that means I can still get dead centres for it anyway. Right, so I'll just give you a quick demonstration of it. I've got a piece of mild steel in here at the moment. I've just got a high-speed steel cutter in there. It's just a piece of old junk I had hanging around, which I just thought I'd just quickly whack that in there. So right, away we go. Turn the machine on. Right, so hopefully next time I might make something on it. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.